Hello everyone. Hi guys, hello to you all. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today video some people some friends are wicked oh. Some friends are wicked. You guys una need to dey run for them. You see some friend where their friend don shop, they no wan make then where they don shop, they no wan make their friend shop for them. Why it dey be like that, my people? Why it dey be like that? Just look at this lady. He don't chop for this kind place. He don't chop for one place. His friend can't go there, make him see go shop. Now his friend call and say, come that place where you dey go, so no go there, oh, no, you don't give her your number, oh, no give her this, oh, no go there, oh, that person a bad person, oh. Whereas you don't shop for this person house. Why be say people they are very ungrateful? Why are people very ungrateful? Why be say if you help somebody, all their own na to pay you with evil? Why it be like that? Why it be say na so their own they no know another person home? How to bring that person down? How to give that person bad name? Now only that one they don't know. Why are you people like that? Just look at those set of people that is doing all this nonsense. Just look at them. Where they dey? One, they not get paper. Two, children wey they get government don collect am. Three, they no even dey husband house. Husband wey they get na shento na im be. Una see their life. Why be say all these kind people, why their life be like that? Where you don't eat, you no wan make your friend eat there. Why you dey ungrateful? And why you dey spoil that person wey don give you food, wey don feed you? Why you dey spoil am? Why you be bad there to that person? And which kind high you say make that person take dey look you? And which kind high God go take dey look you? Because one, you don't eat for that person. You don't eat, that person don't feed you. You don't eat, you don't collect from that person. Why be say now when another person want come collect, you can't say why go can't go there? Make it not give her a phone number, make it not talk to her, make it not do this. Whereas you dey go dey eat for that person where you say make your friend not talk to. Evil friend, why not be like this? Why not be like this? I just dey waka for social media now. I just dey observe some kind things. Why people they wicked? Why be say person will not hurt you? Why you dey like they hurt that person? And why be say your own matter no they carry you for your head? Why be say na another person matter like they hold you for your head? My country people, all this kind thing it dey vex me, and I no like am. I no like am. I dey hate when somebody dey spoil another person. My dear, if you be that kind of person, stop am. Because one, if you carry that kind of thing reach where I dey, the way I go take pursue you for where I dey. For me, I dey carry everybody dey near body. But not tell me say you too know. I'll tell you say, you see that you know where you know, you don't know anything where I dey. You see this YouTube where we dey, this Facebook where we dey. If I dey go with you, I go with all my heart too. But not tell me say you wise past me. If you say you wise past me, I tell you say come where you for start now, where you for stop now, there my own for start. Because you don't know anything. Showing love of wetin we dey talk so. You go come see show love to some people. Still super chat they do this, they go see come they carry one name they give you. I don't feel they do the video before. Guys, make una dey get sense sometimes now. Ladies, make una dey get sense sometimes. Una not dey spoil people. Una no know somebody just because say the other one go talk about the person and you don't even know if it's truth. Why una dey wicked? Why be so na matter it not the whole una? Why it be like that? I just reason this I say God, that's what this life be. That's what people wicked. Where you don't chop, you don't want me your friend chop there. Now you dey tell your friend say, my friend, as you just dey do so, not give her your number, not give her this, not let her know you. Are you crazy? Okay, if that your friend can't give her a phone number or they can't dey chat, how it be your business? How it be your business? Why be so na no dey mind una business? When you don't shop, you don't want me another person shop. May God have mercy on una. Just look on our life now. Una don't spend that many years for abroad, no documents. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Why don't you stay one place and behave yourself? Just be real to people. Huh? I always say this on my channel. Be real. Like me, I'm real, guys. People that know me that I am real. I am not fake. Yes, what I cannot do, I will not start it. It's what I will do that I will do. Yes, that's why I call myself, me, I am the Otokinadu. Not the imbecile one. Because una where they do all those things, they smell people now, they go like dog where they find smell things with one shop. Una see una life. Na so una go they smell people wey go do good for una. Una go beat and put for the good way do for una. How una say make life dey better for una? All this message now for aproko people. People wey no dey mind their business. People wey go see say person dey progress. He go say whether na juju dey use abi wetin dey use. He go see say a friend, that thing go favor a friend. He go say, my friend no go there. Oh. That person a bad person. You know say you wey go tell your friend. And that your friend wey no fit know say you na evil person. That means say you are that your friend na still stupid person too. And you na very the worst stupid person I ever see in this life. Why una be like this? Enemy of progress people. Why una be like this? Why una no dey mind una business? Why be say before small una don come social media now they use indirect they talk. They talk, go here, talk, go here. Okay, like me, oh my God. I've seen it. I don't talk and say, I don't get anybody time. If maybe say I hear am for your mouth, or maybe I dey hear am say, now so that person talk about me, I not go mind you. I'm telling you guys my secret now. I'm not go mind you. Somebody will come me say, now so they talk about Mama Didi, now so this, I not go mind you. I not go. But if I hear am for your mouth, if I hear that name for your mouth, you go dey regret the day where your papa and your mama push you come out. You go dey regret am. Why you even call life? You go even dey tell your papa why be say even use that spin to bring you come life. Guys, be nice to each other. No dey do say na you no pass. No dey do say without you somebody no fit stay this life. Make una dey behave una self. Make una dey respect people. As people dey respect una, una dey respect them too. Una notice una be the alpha and the omega. On this YouTube, everybody is just minding their business. Everybody just dey do their things. Now there you go see one go come, I go say na a mat, na a long part. That your mass way longer. You not long reach where my own day. My own day very long. So I'm using this opportunity to advise you. You where they smell people, they go for everywhere. Where go see this, you go say, you see the other, may God have mercy on you. You better repent and come. I go do you deliverance. Yes, for free. I not go collect money from you. I go do deliverance for you for free. Because you don't know what you they do. That devil you they use you. Because where you don't eat, you know what make your friend eats there. That means you need big deliverance. You need big deliverance. Una go jo de una matter no go hold una. Una go say na another person matter the whole una. And if you see all this set of people are the set of people where they no get husband, they call their boyfriend, where they born for their baby papa, they call her honey, daddy. They call her everything. Whereas he never even paid their bride price. He never even do the white one where they do for abroad. He never do one. He not even get documents. For how many years for abroad? You did there, no documents. Are you crazy? Do you want to compare yourself with me? Are you serious? So, guys, I'm using this opportunity to beg you, whosoever that is doing all this nonsense, sit down for your house, relax for your house, may not be like say what you not want, it can't want you. So, if you not say you don't shop for one place, and you don't want make your friend shop there, that means say you be bad person, you are a bad head. Try share with people. Share, always learn how to share with people. It's very, very important. Love people the way you see sometimes I always talk one, I don't have spirit of jealous, God forbid. I don't jealous people. I love myself. I love my family. I love people around me, except the one that don't love me. If you don't love me, I still love you. But now God, now go can't give you your own cup of tea that time. If you not love me and you dey pretend follow me, now God now go disgrace you, because you cannot be pretending for me while I'm using my mind for you. Or they send you as an agent come. Now God now go disgrace you. You know where I go be. It must disgrace you one day. Let's learn how to behave ourselves. This is another new year. Let's learn how to behave ourselves. Okay? Not be wetin we do last year. We can't see start and this year. This is just an advice for all those a dog wey dey smell ground, dey go, wey dey look for something wey dem wey rotty, wey dem wan chop. Make una change. Airtime is coming. If you no fit dey go church before, I know say corona don come wey lock una for inside house. Make una try dey do online church. Make una try dey pray. Make God answer una. Make una no dey carry another person load put for head, because e no go help una. So that's what I have for you guys today. Guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, hit the notification bell, so that anytime I upload any video, you will be the first to notify. I love you all. May the good Lord continue to bless you all. Much love and much kisses to you all. Bye for now.